Since 1797, Kentucky has been growing premium grapes and making superb wines. Today, the shift from tobacco crops to grape growing brings new opportunities for Kentucky's fertile soil and the capable people who till it. Baker Bird Winery, the thoroughbred of wines, carries on Kentucky's proud winemaking tradition and offers a wonderful selection of premium wines.
Immediately after launch, our Black Barrel wine took 2 gold medals. Double golds, meaning that 2 judges independently felt this was the best wine in the competition. We also won the Commissioner's Cup for the best boutique wine in Kentucky. In addition, we took a silver at the Indy International Wine Competition, and Baker Bird Winery was named as the Kentucky Winery of the Year by the New York International Wine Competition. So we hope you enjoy our Black Barrel wine.
Despite the challenges of our climate, we produce an outstanding Vidal Blanc wine. Vidal Blanc was developed by Jean-Louis Vidal, planted in northern France and southern Germany. Today, 51% of Kentucky vineyards grow Vidal Blanc.
Cabernet Franc is a French vine that we use to produce an award-winning wine. Cabernet Franc is a delicious dry red wine with the boldness of the bluegrass.
Baker Bird, the thoroughbred of wines.